Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 S550 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 4.7 bi-turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package with 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, sports exterior and interior, front and rear LED daytime running lights, black Napa leather, panorama sunroof, warmth and comfort package, which gives you front and rear heated and cooled seats, ambient lighting. Come around back, S550, 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, comfort box for extra storage. This one does come with the driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic Plus, pre-safe, premium one package with Burmeister sound system, black poplar wood trim, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, black poplar and leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, multi-contour seats, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This S-Class has 2,651 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.